Boost your income by making money online with this advice. Trust your instincts as they are often correct. Yes, working online will give you all of the benefits you've dreamed of. And yes, you will need to know as much as possible so you don't get sucked into any scams. This video has some helpful hints to lead you to success. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Be sure to create a firm daily schedule. Just like you need to keep a schedule at an office in person, you'll need to do the same with online work in order to keep bringing in the money. Too many people assume that online work is a fast path to the big bucks without much work, but that isn't true. You have to put in the time necessary. Schedule time each day to work online. Even an hour a day can make a big difference over time. Tutoring others is a growing business. If you want to work at home and use your knowledge, tutoring may be for you. If you have knowledge of something, then you're going to be able to work with a site such as Tutor Vista. If you perform well, then other doors in the tutoring field may be opened for you. Success is something we all dream of, be it in our real-life jobs or in online virtual work. To find it, we have to educate ourselves on our field of work. When that work is on the internet, this video has all you need to know to find great success. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.